Welcome to PFTV. Spethu Mbugeni. Mbugeni, it's a 1-1 draw. Chiefs, they're celebrating like it's a win for them, Mbugeni. Talk to me. How did you see the game?
No, you know what? I feel good to coach here today, although the starting lineup yakhe be right. But I feel good to hesitate. Ukwachile because he felt ukuthi lento lena Kaizer Chiefs izoza nga revenge, meaning ukuthi izopusha more phambili, like around like 7 players phambili. So uhesitateile ukuthi afaka ama players ozoba offensive. And that kahle kahle isibulelile on the first half. I feel ukuthi on the second half we played better, but it was too late when we made the substitutions. Because kule sadly labakore kulo vele we were lacking today. Hence sifake uNdaba sapusha uHoto phambili to control the assist, sibuyise uLento lena umfukeng phakathi ku10 to control the distribution. Although uLento lena uMasanganya ungenile, and it did actually change the game. I feel ukuthi uLento lena uNamtajela today didn't really perform to what we know him best. But I still believe ukuthi okwamanje ayilahlekanga. Iligi isasekhona because even sana sezodlala manje. So for now, I feel good to Ramanje. We have to like just prepare for the next game and see, because Steli is obvious now. So he's looking for a win in the top 8. We are also looking for a win to maintain a position. So I feel Ramanje, we just need to just focus on the next game. So fire.
And then your man of the match for today.
You know what, to be honest, if we're being unbiased, Peterson actually did a major difference. Kaizer Chiefs. He actually was like the key maker today. Like by Peter's clear to say Pirates are winner or I win. And he made critical saves today to actually like keep Kaizer Chiefs on point. Because I think he made 2 or 3 key saves today. And those saves must disappear. So a pair but must disappear. So actually those saves were supposed to actually be goals. If let's say it was another inexperienced goalkeeper. So I feel yes, from our side we did try, but I feel Uguti, no individual player like came out at best compared to what actually Peterson did for Kaizer Chiefs. I know Uguti, we want him as a Pagania to say yes, a police did what he did, Mfukeng did what he did. I feel Umbat was solid today. Umakaula lacked a bit, hence Mchinchile. Of course, we need to be aggressive. But to be honest, if we say there was another goalkeeper who Kaizer Chiefs, would have scored 3 goals. 3 or 4 goals, to be honest.
I agree with you, Pagania. So do you still believe that you're going to take this league this season?
Yes, I do believe. Because you know what, the one interesting I consider as Pagania is that Sundowns or the coach of Sundowns is a formulaic coach. Meaning what athanda ukushintsha ama player wakhe. So he'll rather suffer nama player akhathele than put umuntu a risk ngayangamazi. So I know ukuthi uRichards Bay they will go with the same team abafuna ukudlalisa ne final CAF. That will actually injure him because azokhathala second half. I believe ukuthi actually Richards Bay will hold them to a draw. So I mean, I'm not really angsabi. We still got like 5 games to go, and all of these teams as Lala now, we've beaten them before and convincing. So I feel sugela manje till end of May we'll be able to actually accumulate enough points we win a league. I mean, I'm confident.
Thanks, Pagania. Bopa
Pagani.